channel. I just wanted to talk a little bit about balance in our life or in your life. Balance to feel real happiness. You need balance in 5 areas of your life. Right? There's a spiritual, physical, mental, emotional, and social. We also cover, of course, financial. I think the irony is when you think about real wealth, I look at real wealth as whole wealth around all aspects of your life, which means balance. But the irony is the balance is in those 5 areas I talked about. None of those five even talk about financial, but we talk about that in the book. What we're here today about is really the spiritual side, and I think people read too much into that. They think automatically religion or something like that. Nothing to knock religion. If that's where you get your spirituality, then that's fantastic, but not everyone does. And you can get spirituality or recharge your batteries a lot of different ways. Meditation is one, but a real simple one is just getting in touch with nature, just walking on a beautiful nature's path, listening to the crackling water in the background, contemplating life, where you fit in this beautiful universe, and just focus on your goals and what your next steps are. And just appreciate and be really grateful about your life, because it is a real privilege. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to say. Have a great day. Talk to you later.